It's our second day here at Ebisu. The drama of FD and all of that. Still thought we'd come and just got a day pass for Ebisu, so we'll probably go watch qualifying and have a bit of a look around, because Maddie and I are definitely keen to have a look at that sort of stuff. Have a bit of a drive around on the track. I think Russ said he was keen to go to Toge. We're about to go change some tyres and everything, and yeah, just have a good time while we're here. Sucks for Russ, but probably dream result for Maddie and I, getting to a bit more stuff around at Ebisu. Thankfully I'm coming back in September, so hopefully Russ has got the Supra sorted by then and be able to see the competition side of it. Yeah, silver linings, everything. Midnight Purple R34 V-Spec. So gangster. Look at all the trucks, are so sick, eh? I just love Japan. Everything is awesome. luxury. Fucking main interior in it. Auto, funny little shift knob. All the cars here are so sick. Everything, mate. I'm a big fan. It's got rims, GDR wheels. Reverse is broken, please help. Oh, this one is a bit beat up, man. It's got no gearbox in it. No life. Gold Coast Automotive. This thing's tidy, eh? Tough. Look at this thing, that's cool. GS300, isn't it? Finish you up. Tough. Sick. How sick's this crown? Feel like plug-in hybrid or something? Just another day at the track here. Just did some runs of Togo. We're just doing some tyres at the moment. I think we're going to go back up to North Course shortly. We're just floating around. We're going to go catch the last of FD. Cool that we are here at Ebisu and not at one of the other tracks. We could sort of do this stuff, and for me and Maddie to be able to go do a little bit more. But Ben Riley, that's a bit of you, isn't it? Or maybe it's Dorfterer. Ross just gonna do a couple laps in the car and then it's my turn. How good? Can't wait, it's gonna be unreal driving this track. I've driven it many times in a Seto and been watching videos here for years, so it's gonna be pretty
This
unreal.
is a homage beat.
there, what happened there, Doctor? Just had a drive of Mesa. What an experience getting to drive something like that. 950 horsepower, 3.4 stroke at 2JZ, 4-putt clutch on the 285 semis around Ebisu. Oh, what an experience. So stoked. Just started raining just as I came in, so cool to get a few runs on that. Maddie's had a couple as well, and we're just sort of mucking around up here in North Course. FD battles are on at the moment. We were going to go watch, but now it's raining and we don't really want to sit in the rain. Our tyres will last longer. I feel like we've got 2,000 horsepower. Yeah, again, thank you to Russell for bringing me over here and buying out Japan, and thank you for giving me the keys and letting me have a bit of a pedal. Good fun. Definitely say I've driven a real high powered 2JZ now. GT2. Sounds crispy as. Got the little GT86s. Perfect in this weather, that'd be so much fun. There's a little DE S13 up at, DE S15 up at Toge. Gutless as, but it looked like he was having a blast, so good fun. One's tough. New prison car. Actually, no, can the idea of prison car. I need a Ebisu car. They're way more fun than prison. Prison's fun. The Ebisu's way more fun. up at Minami. It's one of the first drift tracks in the world. First competition tracks. You can see videos of Daigo and that coming over the hill. Pretty sick to be here. Track's all ruined from the earthquakes. So it's used for a lot of rally practice now, but it's still pretty cool. Russ was saying they pull all the gravel off for Matsuris and that. Sick. Rustling in the leaves.
All good. Dusting your car up.
You can buy alcohol, $3. Thank you, alcohol. the imports come with them, eh? He just had a point that the turbo's tiny on this thing. Still runs without steer car. Googly eye. We've just gone to the truck stop. We're just about back in Tokyo, getting a bit tired. Russ was telling us about these drinks you can get over here. They for like truck drivers for when you're getting tired. It's like it's just full on, so we thought we'd give them a crack. 500 milligrams of caffeine or something. Check the packaging out on them. Oh, googly eyes. See how those go. Should hopefully last us the night in Tokyo. Came down to Daikoku, have a keys at some of the cars. It's a Monday night. Look how many people here. Hectic. Too Fast, Too Furious. That's fucking cool.
Right, just look at the fucking shit.
We're just down at Daikoku, PA. Pretty unreal. It's a Monday night and it feels like the biggest car meet I've ever been to. GDRs everywhere, heaps of outrageous stuff. There was a Liberty Walk Supra, same kit as what Russ is putting on his 3-rotor Supra. So yeah. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe or whatever everyone says, and hopefully I can get some more out. Cheers.